run into a job site. Running a business and running is very, very similar. You gotta keep your eye on the prize and just keep on going. We actually aren't gonna run with those medals, but we are running to a job site. When I first got into running, it's one of those things I started off, I was like, I can't even run a mile. I will say, during training, it's every single mile is tough. But what it taught me was never give up, and that hitting that finish line is always the best feeling. And so when I first started, I said, hey, I'm gonna run a marathon. I had a family member that actually worked for Ronald McDonald House Charities. They also help a lot of families, and it was something that was near and dear to me when I was growing up because they actually helped my family. I said, all right, I'm gonna run the Chicago Marathon and I'm gonna run it for them. So I raised some money for them and ended up running in the Chicago Marathon. Every time I thought about just giving up and, you know, hey, maybe this is just dumb, I thought about the people that we're making an impact on. And that really was what drove me every single mile, every single step. So we're actually gonna go visit a house of ours that we're doing siding on. It was an old Cape. They want it to be more of a farm style house. So they're doing white James Hardy lap siding with white trim, new gutters. This thing's gonna look to the T. You ever see those marathon videos where people run, there's people with signs? There's my power up sign right there. We're here, we made it. Let's check it out, see how the guys are doing. What's up, guys? I'm gonna take some pictures so we can put it in our folder for files. Even though I ran here, you can't forget what we gotta do. Show the progress. This is one thing that we love to do is keep our homeowners informed. You know, they're doing a project with us, they wanna know what's going on. So that's what we're here for. You need any help? You good? All right. Everything looks good. We're gonna run back to the office now. So I was actually just kidding around about all the medals in the beginning, but I actually put those on as just a reminder. You know, it's every single one of those was earned. Every project that we do, we earned. Right around here was one of the first roofs that we actually ever sold online. Boom. We did that roof. Nice copper work into the stucco. That was a quick 30 minutes there, back 3 miles. All right, we did it. Back to home base.